Using this strategy is by far the quickest way I've ever made money promoting offers on WarriorPlus, and I'm going to walk you through this strategy step by step. Now, I know you may come to this video thinking to yourself, well, that's great, but I've never been able to get approved to promote a product. Well, I got you covered there too, so keep watching the video because this is going to take you through the entire process, and also I'm going to give you a way to get approved to promote a product on WarriorPlus so you can start earning affiliate commissions using the platform. First things first, go to WarriorPlus, go to affiliate, go down to launch calendar. You'll see the launch calendar for the current month. Go ahead and click on week to break it down a little further. And then you'll look for a product review. We'll go here to Friday 4/9 and we'll click on a funnel mail suite. It'll take us over to funnel mail suite product page. And you, of course, know how to click request approval, as well as preview the sales page. Scroll down, and typically there is a JV page here, but when there's not a JV page provided here on WarriorPlus, the next step is to go to Muncheye. Scroll down, and what you have here are big launches and all launches. Here on Muncheye, this is where they are recruiting JVs, joint venture partners, or affiliates. Simply click on one of the products. It will take you to all the information, and more importantly, it will give you access to the JV page. When you click on the JV page, it's going to give you product info on the funnel, the prizes, email swipes, all that good stuff. But more importantly, the grab link button or a link back to WarriorPlus will be somewhere on that page where you can again request your approval. Now, here's the point where you need to step back and need to understand that vendors typically aren't going to approve you if you are new and you have no history of promoting offers, because they don't know if you have a list, they don't know where you're going to get your traffic, and the strategy we're using here is called launch jacking. Now, if you don't know what launch jacking is, that's okay too. I put a video up here in the right hand corner. You can click that and understand the entire process, but I'm going to keep walking you through this step by step because the art of launch jacking is all about the product review. Over on my YouTube channel, come up here, type the word review. You're going to see 105 videos, and you can see the list of videos here as well as the number of views on each one of those videos. Again, this is by far some of the quickest cash I've made, and it's simply by creating a review video. Now, don't misunderstand what I'm talking about here. I am talking about a real review, not a video where you just make it and talk about how great the product is and how many bonuses you have and how much those bonuses are worth, and again, how great the product is and how much money the product's going to make you for doing nothing except for pushing a button on the internet. That is not what we're doing. We are making real, honest, transparent reviews where we are building an audience and helping that audience understand the value of this product and how this product will help them, just like we're doing, build a real online business. Now, at this point, you're at the stage where you're trying to get approval. And again, like I said, I got you covered. There's a link in the description, and I'm going to get you approved for a product guaranteed on WarriorPlus if you follow that three-step process when you click that link. But more about getting approved. If you cannot get approval as an affiliate for JV access or review access, then you simply have to take the next step and you have to invest in yourself and you have to purchase the product. Now, purchase the front end of the product. Purchase the front end of the product, get your access details, log into the product, test the product, use the product, see if the product works, understand the strategy that they are selling about the product, if it is a piece of software and or training or both, a combination of software and training. Utilize that training, utilize that software, create a real review where you walk through the product, show a demo of the product, talk about how the training helped you or didn't help you. Again, you are creating a review. You are giving your opinion about this product. You're talking about the pros, you're talking about the cons, you're even talking about your experience with the vendor. These are all the things that people want and need to hear in your product review. When building a YouTube channel, specifically in this niche and using the marketplace of WarriorPlus, this is the key to building an audience for the long term. And long-term thinking is what this strategy is all about when we're talking about launch jacking. And again, you may not quite get this completely, but the point is you are going to review products when the products come out, and at that time there's going to be tons of buzz around this product, and you are going to rank your video review on YouTube and you are going to get traffic. Now understand, this may not start out the way you wanted to. You may post your first review and you may get a few views and you may not make an affiliate commission if the product was good and you recommended it. But again, that's part of understanding the strategy and thinking long term that you need to create more content so people can understand and know and like and trust your opinion about these products when you review them. So first step, go to WarriorPlus, look at their launch calendar. Second step, if there's no JV page there, go to Muncheye, find the product launch, review it. If you can get access, great. If you can't, buy it, and then create content, real content that is a real review, giving your real opinion about this product, if this product worked for you or not. Don't know how to do a review? Go to YouTube, type in the product, in this case, Funnel Mail Suite Review. Scroll down, take a look at these reviews and see what resonates with you. Go for the top 5 reviews when you do your search, because that is what YouTube is serving up at that time as a top review. Watch all 5 of them. Understand what they're saying, see if the message resonates with you, if you believe it or not. Also pay attention, are they talking more about the product, or are they talking more about the bonuses, or are they just telling you how great the product is and that you're going to make tons of money as soon as you click their affiliate link. Formulate your own opinion of those reviews, take notes, and then use those styles that you saw in those videos. Pick the pieces you like, pick the pieces you don't like. Emulate that idea, that concept of creating product reviews, doing this form of review called launch jacking, which is basically just creating the review during the launch period, which is basically just a mini sale, like a Black Friday mini sale of the product, typically for 3 to 5, maybe even sometimes 7 days, when there is tons of buzz around this product. And it allows you to rank your video because YouTube appreciates fresh content and there's tons of buzz around these keywords, and the keyword being the product title and the keyword review, because people are looking for more information about this product during the launch before they purchase it. And if you give them what they're looking for in your review, or possibly even a good relevant bonus, then they will click your link, they will purchase it, and you will earn an affiliate commission. Again, if you've never been able to get approved for a WarriorPlus product to promote it, that's also part of what I'm here to do today. Link in the description, click that link, it's going to take you over to a page. It's going to show you a 3-step process that I put together to guarantee that you get approval for a product to promote and start earning affiliate commissions, as well as do a first review when you go through that product, use that product, and when that product works for you, you can make a review and you can feel comfortable in the fact that you are telling people the truth about the product. And of course, if the product doesn't work for you, then tell the truth about that as well, because that is the strategy that I'm talking about to getting to the point where you are going to be able to make some of the quickest cash you've ever made by creating content in the simple form of a product review on a product from WarriorPlus. Again, link in the description. Get approved to promote a product on WarriorPlus, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.